Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my Three's Kitchen. So today recipe is a very simple recipe due to lockdown. We are not able to do any non-veg special. So ending up doing a very simple egg gravy with the basic ingredients that is available all time at home. So let us get into our kitchen and see how do we do our egg gravy for the day. So friends, I have taken a kadai. I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. You can also do with gingerly oil, it will be nice. Just taken 2 tablespoons of oil. So just gonna add a pinch of turmeric powder. I've taken 5 eggs for that. This is a measurement. Pinch of turmeric powder. Half a tablespoon of chili powder. And a little salt. I've already boiled and kept the egg. So mix everything well. Now I'm going to add the boiled egg into this and just fry it for a minute and remove it. Just going to add one by one egg. I've just slit the egg so that it gets spread everywhere. Just toss it well so that it gets mixed finely. You can find the egg is nicely tossed with all the masalas. So just removing out and then see what is our next step. Turmeric powder followed with freshly grounded ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Toss it well till the smell all goes away. You can find the onion is nicely getting tossed. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add as per the spice level you wanted. Followed with salt. We have added salt only for the egg. For this particular gravy we have not added. So adding the required amount of salt. Mix everything well. And I'm going to add little water. Now we are going to add water. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then let's see what is next. Find it's nicely getting boiled. At this stage I'm going to add a small cup of yogurt. Just add the yogurt right now. Yes, and mix it well. And how much ever we added yogurt, just to the same level we are going to add water. So we need to boil it for at least 3 minutes. Once it's nicely getting boiled, we need to add our masala egg which is tossed already. So friends, I'm adding the same yogurt cup for water, that is a measurement. So let it get boiled nicely. As I said, once it's getting boiled, you can add our tossed egg into it and a simple yet a delicious and tasty egg gravy should be ready for the day. So friends, you can find the egg gravy is nicely getting boiled. I'm just going to add our masala tossed egg into it one by one. In next 1 minute we are going to off the stove and it's ready to be served hot. It goes very nicely with white rice. So please do try it. Find our egg gravy is nicely getting boiled. So it is time to off the stove and ready to be displayed. So friends, here goes our tasty simple egg gravy for the day. Please do try this recipe. It's a very suitable recipe for a simple white rice. So try this recipe, watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.